Class 12th, class 12th and present situation, of course, it draws concern to all of us. Now, the policies made by the India government is not uniform for the others, those who have their schools abroad. Like people I'm in connecting with, there are schools, CBSE schools in Nigeria,
Yeah.
CBSE schools in Dubai, in Japan, in Middle East countries, Kuwait. Now, we are suggesting according to our situation, but they are creating their situation. The lockdown is not uniform. Then aftermath is this: the students at home, they are in lurch. When will the exam take place? If at all it takes place, what will happen? How will the selections and all will take place? Of course, this is a difficult time, and all the principals over here will agree to me that we are not dealing with the uniform situations. These are heterogeneous situations, and technology is, of course, not well built up in our country. Maybe we CBSE schools, we are in different geographical region, and you will find that teachers are not computer savvy. As the lockdown took place, there were no books, no stationery at home. It's not only for the schools to impart. It is the learner, those who received, are they facilitated with those facilities at home? Internet not working, Wi-Fi doesn't have speed. Education should come under the essential commodities, like they listed during lockdown, essential commodities. Books did not appear in that. Notebooks did not appear in that. Stationery did not appear in that. Teachers' infrastructure like software companies, mobile companies, or Wi-Fi service providers, they were not included. Somewhere or the other, I will draw with this panel and I will draw attention that these areas should also be covered. Now, of course, my colleagues, my predecessors, they spoke about inventions, creativity. Of course, yes, necessity is the mother to all science, I believe. I remember some of my teachers, they created wonderful classroom for themselves just using the cell phone. We try to provide whiteboards at home for all teachers, but how to reach to them in during lockdown period, we were not able to do that. Financial crunch. Now, all schools are not doing very well financially. Class 12th is a makeshift arrangement to promote children to the higher class. Now, National Testing Agency will also act accordingly. UGC is also cooperating, but later on when the children go to the professional courses, will their aptitude be affected? Or will someone more deserving will not get admission in the professional courses? Now, what is the mechanism to ensure that good remains the good? Now, there is a worry. Many of my students have been connecting me and asking, sir, how will it happen? Then they are saying that the internal assessments and all, 2 subjects, longer duration of examinations, these things may happen, but it's all a mix. There's a long-term planning has to be assessed. And later on, when these children go to the professional classes or they finish their professional classes, will the employers will get back to the same idea? Did you pass during the pandemic era? Then you may have to give some other exam. Of course, there are situations, and the panel which government is making, the school principals should be widely involved so that they are actually in action. They can support more and suggest more. And I wish all the children of class 12 to hold their breath, be more concentrated and focused, and they must do whatever they have been doing, and they should take it as an opportunity that more time means more preparations. And there is always a better tomorrow. All of us are there to suggest. Thank you very much.